Fill in the blanks to finish these sentences. 4th class Social Studies. Dash is mined in Kolar in Karnataka. Answer: gold. Gold is mined in Kolar in Karnataka. Zinc is mined in Rajasthan. Zinc is mined in Rajasthan. Sea salt is obtained by dash sea water. Evaporating. Sea salt is obtained by evaporating sea water. Dash are found in Panna. Diamonds. Diamonds are found in Panna. The sands of Kerala contain thorium. The sands of Kerala contain thorium. India produces large amounts of dash used in paints, industrial chemicals and making steel. Answer: manganese. India produces large amounts of manganese used in paints, industrial chemicals and making steel.